Hey everybody, Brad here on Nelson Ridge Farm with Stella and Scarlett. How y'all doing?
Good.
Hey, let's make some firewood bundles. We got to order. It's a baker's dozen plus 3, so 15 bundles. We're going to try to knock it out in record time. It's freezing out here, about to be dark. What do you think?
I think we got it.
All right,
It's cold, but
Scarlett.
I think we got it.
All right, I think Scarlett, will you film a little bit? I didn't bring a tripod. All right, thanks. Can I bring the bundle with a closer? All right. Sound good?
Yep.
Oh.
You better doing the position.
Okay, but just about slow down. Have to redo it all. These are nice bundle grade red oak here. I got it. Nope. Two. Two more. Yep, that should be it. And this one over here. And this one over here. See how that puzzle fit together? Come over here and look at it. Is that perfect? Weird shapes going. We have got a little fella right there. Gonna go in, yeah. Good?
Yep.
That one. Do another one?
Sure.
Okay.
Kind of fun.
Don't let that any splinters get in your eyes. Crumbs. Good. Thin one? Yep. Yes, one.
And Scarlett.
I feel like I'm doing that.
Oh no, that's why I really wanted you to know it's helpful.
7 done.
7 done? Okay.
We need about 8 more.
Yep. And then when I'm, you can put the first 3 in like you did the first time if you like.
What?
You gotta wait on me. I was talking to her. She does a great job of putting them down. Just when you get greedy and go for like 4 or 5. You got anything else, Ben? Actually, that's good for this one.
How much are you getting for this?
70. John's Welding Bundler. I love it. Don't you like this bundler?
Yeah. It's a good bundler.
Yep. Nice.
It bundles tons of bundles for us. That bundle does.
Or you can go from those crisscross ones right there, same pile. Mushroom, or some kind of lichen.
Throw it at Stella.
Fungus, some kind of fungi. One of the fungi. Grab. That one's perfect. You got a tiny one? Yep, that's better
Is
than
it,
nothing.
is it meese? Is that the plural of moose? Meese?
Mice?
No,
What are you
moose.
talking about, girl?
What's the plural of moose?
Mooses.
It's like geese.
No,
Goose.
it's not like geese. Not like goose.
But everything like that is.
I can't help that English is messed up.
Dude, you think English
Is it?
Oui, oui, mademoiselle, let's see, whatever your name is, Stella.
Nope.
I don't know. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and a buck.
If you're not from the south, you may think it's a little weird to drive around with a deer, chopped off a deer head in your truck, but
I mean, it's kind of weird even if you are from the south.
I just hadn't had a chance to take care of it for Christian. It's Christian's first deer ever. Way better than my first deer.
What was your first year?
My first deer was a buck, but it had no horns. It was so little. It wasn't even a button buck, really. I could feel the knobs, but it hadn't come out of his skin yet. Kind of at that height.
14, last one, right?
Yeah.
I think this is a record time.
Yeah. Thank you.
My fingers are cold.
Couple more. All right. We're going to do a sign off in just a minute. We count them. You got anything little?
how little?
Tiny.
It's spider.
Or that one. Yep. It's going to be good enough. All right. Last one.
Can I spin this one, Daddy?
Yeah. Phil, will you hold it? I'm going to hold it down and get it started. 1, give it 4, 2, 3, 4, give it 5. Oh yeah, 5 right there.
Yeah.
Put it in the truck. Gotcha. I'll help you. I got you. All right. That's it, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Dale, will you help me just put these 4 over? Yep. Thank you. 10 for both of you. Guys, it's windy. How fast was that? No kidding.
Oh, it was pretty fast.
I didn't time it, but we'll look on the video. That was like 10 minutes. So appreciate all your help. Hey, y'all like the video? Please subscribe to Nelson Ridge Farm. What do you say?
Thank you guys for watching.
I hope you have a good day.
All right. Bye.